Hi, I'm Liz Sneddon. Let's have a look at the answer to question 2A part 2. So here's our question, and I've just got a little table summarising the data. So I did that in the previous video if you're not sure where that comes from. So the question asks us to estimate the risk of receiving not achieved in the exams. How does that compare for the Year 13 students who snore and the Year 13 students who don't snore? So it's looking at that not achieved, and we want to compare the snoring students with the not snoring students. And so as soon as it talks about comparing a risk, that is a clue that I want to do a relative risk calculation. So my relative risk in this situation, I want the probability of not achieving, so that's my E dash, given that somebody snores, compared with not achieving, given that somebody does not snore. So these are the two conditional probabilities I want to find, and then I want to do it as a ratio to compare which one's bigger or smaller. So the first top one, find the probability of not achieving given snoring. So given snoring, well, there's my snoring students. I've got 123 of those, and out of that 123, there were 32 who did not achieve. Then I'm going to compare with my students who did not snore. So there are 78 of those who did not snore, and from that there are 10 who did not achieve. So what I need to do now, put that into my calculator, and that's going to give me an answer of 2.03. Now what that means is that the number on top, so the probability of not achieving given that I snore, that this probability is 2.03 times bigger than the number on the bottom, the probability on the bottom. So this is what I want to write a sentence for. So the risk of not achieving is 2.03 times as likely, notice that wording, times as likely, for snorers compared to non-snorers. So that is my answer. Now, if I am able to calculate the either conditional probability, so if I can either calculate this conditional probability or that one separately, then that would get you a U, having both of those. If you're able to get through to this value of 2.03, then, and you're able to write me a sentence correctly, so then that would then give you the merit tick. Thanks for watching.